Hi everyone, this is Naresh. So I want to discuss in this class the classification of elements. Already know children, in our earth nearly 120 elements are available. So in these 120 elements is very difficult to remain, and their properties, discussing their properties very difficult. So that's why you have to classify it in periods and groups. In these 120 elements is classified into periods and groups. According to the modern periodic table, the horizontally rows are called periods. Here totally 7 periods are there. In vertically columns are called groups. There are 18 groups. Totally 18 groups. Okay children, in the horizontally, first I want to discuss in this class periods. So in this easy way. Okay, right. So this is the periods. Totally how many periods are there? 7 periods. Let's see the in these 7 periods, the first period has only 2 elements. In second period 8 elements. Third period 18 elements. Fourth period 18 elements. Fifth period 18 elements. Sixth period 32 elements, and seventh period 31 elements. In this I will repeat again, the first period contain only 2 elements, in second period 8 elements, third period also has 8 elements, fourth period 18, fifth period 18, sixth period 32, and seventh period 31 elements. Okay, in this first period has only 2 elements, no, that's why its period is called shortest period. Shortest period. It has only 2 elements, are there, hydrogen and helium. That's why it's called shortest period. Okay, and coming to that, second and third period, in these group of elements, actually lithium to neon. So this is called short period. Okay, and coming to that third period, sure, it has also 8 elements only. The sodium 2, it is also called short period. Okay, and coming to the fourth period, potassium 2, krypton, this is long period. It has 18 elements, that is called long period. And coming to the fifth period, the rubidium 2, xenon, this is also, it has only 18 elements, that's why it's also called long period. And the next coming period is sixth period. Here the elements from cesium to radon are n. So it has 32 elements are there. In this entire periods, this is the longest period. It has 32 elements are there. And coming to that 31, seventh period, that has 31. So it actually in this period has francium 2. So in case in future it will be future in some any element will be found, it will be added to this place. That's why this period is called incomplete period. Okay children, so this is a periods, total the information in these periods. I want to come into that. The next one is groups. Come to groups. Already know the groups means horizontally rows are called groups. So totally 18 groups are there. In first group it's called also 1a is a Roman number, is mentioned as a Roman number, and second, that is 2a, and 13th, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. The Roman number as 3a group, 4a group, 5a group, 6a group, 7a group, and last one is 8a group. So commonly is numerically it's called first, second and 13th element. So these two groups belongs to S block. S block. So and 13 to 18 is belongs to P block. P block. Okay. So coming to that, I want information give the groups, each group of their elements. Okay. Listen carefully. The first period has in this first group it contain one is called also 1A group. In this 1A group that is named as alkali metals. Alkali metals is called alkali metals. In 2A group elements called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. So in this third year group is called boron family. Boron family, carbon family. Why these named is called as families, I will explain later. Just listen first. So 5A group elements is also called nitrogen family. Is also called nictogens. Nictogens. Here is a P silence. That's why pronounced wise the nictogen is called nictogens. And oxygen family. Oxygen group is also called chalcogens. Chalcogens. And 7th A group halogens. Halogens. And the 8th group elements is called noble gases. Noble gases. Okay, children. Okay, coming to that, the these groups that there are different names are there. Alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and halogen family, and these are noble gases. I want to their names of the group of elements. Alkali metals. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Okay, this group of elements is a 1A group elements, alkaline earth metals. Alkali metals. Coming to the alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Okay, coming to the boron family, in this first element is boron. That's why is called named boron family. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Carbon family, the first element is carbon. So for example, if you keep the knock the any door in your family members, any other, so when you come, so the family head, called the family head, for like Subbarao, like that is a common name. That is the first element is carbon. That's why carbon, that's why is named as carbon family. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and plumbum, Pb. Okay, next coming to that nitrogen family, it's also called nitrogens. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, stibium, that common Latin name is stibium, and bismuth, the symbol is Sb, and bismuth. Nitrogen oxygen family, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Right? Halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and atstein. Okay, coming to the last group, that is noble gas elements. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So the noble elements is the group of elements is also called, explain later. So this is the information regarding periods and groups. So totally periods and groups, these are the periods, and these are groups, that is a group information, right? Thank you.